Good afternoon, all. So I believe that I'm audible. Yes, thank you. I'll share my screen. I believe that my screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the confirmation. So, uh, thank you for the beautiful introduction, madam. As madam said, we will be discussing AI chart, summarizer, and paraphraser tools, various tools, practically how we can use them and how we can use it. So, coming to the actual concept, why we want these things. So, I think from the day one, you have attended this particular workshop. I was also part of this workshop, and the resource persons were discussing a lot of tools, AI tools. So, if you check the life cycle of research, so basically, I think on Saturday also, Madam has focused on research questions, data collections, these things, the various tools. Then data analysis, I think tomorrow's Dr. Vijay will focus more into that. And writing tools also we have discussed. Now, combining everything, uh, being a research scholars or being a doctorate when you are guiding your students also, we will be facing a lot of issues with regard to uh, knowing the papers or chatting with the papers or with respect of plagiarism and a lot of things, paraphrasing, a lot of concerns will be there. So what I will do in today's session is try to cover how we can use these tools in an effective way and what better way we can use these tools and what techniques we can use. So before I proceed, this is my kind request because when we say AI, we should not depend 100% on AI. That's very much important because verification is required. So we need to verify what is generated and we need to cross check. We have to understand what the AI has generated before we publish anywhere. Second, we need to understand that AI has generated the content, and when it goes to plagiarism check, it will detect the AI components also. So that is also very important. So 100%, we should not depend on this AI, and there should be a transparency when we are using certain algorithms to perform any of the result sets. So this is very important. So with this, I would like to begin with a practical approach. The first one, because when the moment we say AI chart tools, first thing which comes to our mind, especially when I say chart, first thing which comes to our mind is the chart GPT and various tools similar to ChatGPT like Gemini, then Microsoft Copilot, all other tools are there. So these tools we can use for the charting purpose. Charting purpose is required for every people. Say example, if I take any one research paper, I basically what we do is we will go through once and then we will analyze, then we'll understand what is the objective of this particular research paper, and then we will start analyzing, okay, this is the objectives and this is the research gap, everything. But since we are living in a AI era, so we can make use of these AI tools and we can reduce our time so that for the implementation purpose we can spend a lot of time, lot of our creativities, and then we can proceed. So to make it simplified version, so what we are doing in today's session is first I will introduce the chart options, various chart options what we have, then we'll go for paraphrasing, and then we will discuss other tools. So before I begin these three components, I would like to start with AI chart. So first one, I would like to go with Microsoft Copilot tool. It's a research writing tool. So the moment you hear Microsoft Copilot, don't think that we are going to open a Copilot and we will be exploring. No. Uh, Copilot has its own application. I think the previous session also, some of the resource person have discussed on this, that is SciSpace. So SciSpace is a beautiful AI tool which is using in the background the Microsoft Copilot interface. So I'll just skip this PowerPoint and just show the application. So this is the SciSpace application, which you can see here. The moment you go to Google and type SciSpace, you will be able to get this window. Okay, so the URL of this is typeset.io. So what I will do is I'll just put this URL even in the chat box so that you can do it simultaneously. Can open this URL, which I shared in the chat box. So if you're finding it difficult, you can just go to Google and type Sci space. You can just type Sci space and you will be able to get this window. So for my reference, what I'm doing is I'm taking one research paper. I'm not taking a very standard research paper because I want to showcase many aspects here. So I'll be taking this as an example. So a customer satisfaction based optimization model for the charging and discharging path and battery swapping stations. This is for electronic vehicles. So I've taken this particular topic for me to demonstrate what way we can use these applications for the creative way. So first, I would like to begin with SciSpace tool. I think the previous session also, the madam has discussed on this particular tool. But what I will do is I will concentrate more into chatting aspect in this particular tool. I will not be concentrating other tools which are there like a citation generator and AI detector. There are a lot of options. So if you open this particular tool and if you click here on the left hand side, you will be able to see a lot of options, starting with literature review, then AI writer, that is also there where you can create your own content with the topic. Then finding the topics also, if you want to know any one particular topic or you want to come up with your own research topics, that particular thing also you can explore here. You can also paraphrase the sentences, paragraphs, everything. So this particular tool is also having this option. But what I will do is I will demonstrate this particular tools with respect of chatting. So paraphrasing also, you can use this particular tool. Then we can also go for extracting the data. Suppose if paper is there, the content is there, you want to extract the data from there, that also you can do. You can also check what is the AI levels. So I think the madam has done that already. So that also you can use. Next, we have PDF to video option, that also you can explore. Now, the topic what is given for me, if I concentrate on that, so charting option, the first thing is charting option. So what I will do is in the home page itself, there is an option called chart with PDF. And here in the menu also, there is an option chart with PDF. So you can directly click on this and you can upload the PDF. You can upload the PDF. You can just say upload PDF and you can just select the PDF which you want to upload. To avoid delay in uploading, what I have done is I've already uploaded a PDF here and I'm demonstrating that. So as I said, I've taken one particular example in this case, and this particular tool, I am using it. So basically, once you upload, see here, the entire paper, you can see on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, the tool is opened here. So the complete paper, you can check here on the left-hand side. And the right-hand side, the charting tool is enabled. So what we can do is, again, to avoid uh, delay, I've already typed the prompts and kept it. So I'll just paste the prompt. My first prompt is, what is the main objective of this paper? What is the main objective of this paper? So paper is there. I'm just asking, I'm just charting with the the paper, whatever PDF or Word document you have uploaded here. I'm just trying to start with that. So what it does is it will completely analyze the entire paper, and you can see here the complete objective of the paper is listed out here. So this is the beauty of this tool. I think every tool has a lot of options. The options what is present in this tool is this option. This is the one of the best option which you can explore. So similarly, what I will do is, can you summarize the methodologies used in this research? So this question I will start asking. So you can observe here, it will start analyzing again, and it will summarize the methodologies used in this particular research. See here, less than a minute it has taken, and it has completely read the entire PDF, and it is giving the complete information what is required for us. So if you observe here, methodology used in the research: model development, algorithm design, data selection, numerical analysis, all these things are listed out here. So if I go to the main objective for the main objective of this paper is to develop a comprehensive optimizational model for the charging and discharging paths of electric vehicles. So usually what happens, we have to go through the entire abstract. We need to understand, okay, what the author is trying to say, and then we will come to a conclusion. But here in this case, when you are taking lot of research paper for your comparison purpose, you can make use of this particular tool to analyze, to get to know more about the tools. So this is one of the best tool which you can use for the charting purpose. So in the background, we are using Microsoft Copilot to support on this. So here also you can observe here, Copilot. You need not go to Copilot interface and load the PPT or PDF and chart with that. So you can directly come to SciSpace, and you might have observed you need not log in also to initially to use it. So if you want to save your work and if you want to analyze for the future purpose, you can log in here and then you can go for it. So this is one of the best tool which you can use. When you hear the term called SciSpace is nothing but science plus workspace. So both comes together and it makes a word called SciSpace. So this is first tool which I would like to concentrate here. The first one is Microsoft Copilot. The second tool which I would like to concentrate here is definitely the ChatGPT. And second, one more is Gemini, Google Gemini. I think many of you have heard about this tool, if I'm not wrong, right? Gemini tool. So Gemini is also just like your ChatGPT. So it's a product of Google where you can explore many things, and basically just like ChatGPT, you can use this Gemini tool to explore. So first thing what we saw in SciSpace is we have loaded the PPT and we have PDF of a research paper, and we have started charting with that. So similar to that, even ChatGPT 4.0 also supports this particular option. So what I've done is I have loaded the PDF file, which I have taken as a reference. So first thing what I will do is act like I'm writing a prompt here. You can observe I'm writing a prompt, act like a research guide or research scholar, explain this paper to me and the key results. So you can also write find the attachment because you have already attaching the attachment. So then I'm executing or I'm pressing enter key. So a simple prompt, act like a research guide, explain this paper to me and the key results. So you have already loaded the PDF and you're writing a simple prompt and you're asking what exactly you want to know about this particular paper. So you can observe here the ChatGPT has tried to read this PDF which I have loaded. You can observe here I'm not copy pasted anything. I just loaded the PDF file and then I'm starting with the prompt. So act like a research guide, explain this paper to me and the key results. So I'm just writing a simple prompt and it is giving me what is the key points about this particular paper, objectives of the study. So optimization approach, major contributions, key findings, even the results, practical implications, everything you will be getting. So also what I'll do is I will also ask one more question. What is the main findings? What are the main findings of this study? So see the prompt, very simple prompt. I'm asking now, what are the main findings of this study? So this is just like charting with your PDF file which you have loaded. So I'm just loaded the PDF file. That is your paper which you have downloaded. Even from SciHub also you can download. Uh, See the previous platform which I have gone, that is SciSpace. So here I have loaded the PDF, and if you want to know more about any tools, no, you can just click here, see, and directly it will allow you to download that PDF which is there, or download article. So from here also you can download the article and you can use it. Sometimes what happens is you will get some PDF files. I think the previous last week, one of the madam has spoke about Research Rabbit tool. So Research Rabbit tool is also one of the best tool where if you put a topic, you will get a lot of research papers where the PDF files are available there, which you can download it, and then you can start analyzing that. So those PDF files directly you can upload it to ChatGPT, and then you can start asking the question. So my question was, or my prompt was, what are the main findings of the study? See, you can observe here the main findings of the study. It has listed out and given. See, you can observe here all the main findings are listed out here. So this will reduce a lot of your time to read many papers and to come up with the research gap or any other doubts on with regard to any research. No, you can easily chart with that. So these are the common prompts which I have listed out. So what policy recommendation arise from this study? So you can also give this prompt and you can see what answer it gives. See, you can observe. It also gives recommendations, policy recommendations. So not only this, if I open this particular tool here, the research paper, so this is the research paper which I'm referring to. So this paper is having some formulas. You can observe some of the formulas are here. Some diagrams are there. Some figures are there. So you want to know more about those figures, diagrams. So what you can do is you can write a prompt in ChatGPT to know more about it. Say example, can you explain the figures present in this article? So what I'll do, I'll write this prompt. So about figures, the diagrams which are present in the article also you can explore. So this is the beauty of this, is the power of the AI tools. See, you can observe here the figure one. It explains what is that figure and what is the objective of that figure, why that figure is drawn, diagrams are drawn. So everything you will get it in an easy way. So this is how you can make use of these chart tools, which will help you to analyze any situation. So sometimes what happens is some cases you will be using SciSpace, sometimes you'll be using ChatGPT to analyze some of the issues. So some of the tools may not work for certain cases. So that time you can keep an options. So you can keep an option for all these things. So if I want to give an option to chart or to summarize, no, I can take up one more tool here that is called Umata. So Umata AI. So this is one more tool which you can use for the charting purpose. So same thing, just you need to go to Google, open the Google page and type Umata. So Umata AI, you will get it. So click on this link, the first link. So this is the link. I'll share this link even in the chat box. ChatGPT, I am not shared because everyone knows this. That's why I did not share ChatGPT URL. This is one more tool, that is umata.ai. So if you check this tool here, so I just open this tool, you will get this kind of interface. So Umata. So here you can load the PDF. You can load the PDF and then you can start asking the questions. So whatever questions may be, you can prompt it. and you will be able to get the responses. So how it works? So basically, if you open this Umata tool, uh, you have to explore this. So pricing is also there. So I will go with the free tool, get started. So first thing is you have to log in first. Once you log in, you will be able to get a screen like this. You'll be able to get a screen like this where you can load your PDF document. So you have to load the PDF document. Once you load the PDF document here, so see here, the PDF, entire PDF is loaded here. Just to save my time, I've already loaded the PDF. Suppose if you want to see the home interface. So this is how the home interface looks like. So here is a place where you can upload your file or URL also you can upload. So you can upload PDF, document files, PPTs, or text files. Even YouTube files also you can upload. Even the website files also you can upload. Basically, what we will consider is uh, the research papers. Those will be in the form of either PPT, sorry, or either in the PDF format or in the doc file. So I just load here, click on ask option. So the moment when you click on ask option, it will take some time because the entire PDF has to load. So what I have done to reduce the time is I've already loaded and kept it so that it will save some time. So once this entire research paper is loaded here, you can observe the entire paper is here on my right hand side. So here there is an option. You can see on the left hand side, already you got the summary. So you got the summary of this particular research article. So here is the summary. Now you can start asking the questions. So what I will do is I will ask the first question. What is the main objective of this paper? So we'll just ask what is the main objective of this paper? And I'll say enter or click on send option. So it will start analyzing through the PDF, the entire PDF which is loaded here. It will start analyzing it and it will start giving the responses with regard to this prompt. So yes, here is the response. The main objective of this paper is to optimize logistic distribution for electric vehicles by maximizing customer satisfaction while minimizing logistics and construction cost. So you will get the entire summary. So this is called charting with the research articles. So you have a lot of research articles you can load here. Suppose one AI tool is not working, you can use one more. That is SciSpace also you can use. If SciSpace is not working, you can use ChatGPT. If ChatGPT is not working, you can go for Gemini. If Gemini is not working, you can come to Umata. And still, if you say that, no, I want some more tools, there is one more tool called PDF.ai. This is also one of the best tool which you can use for the charting purpose. So one more prompt, if I have to ask, say, what is the, I will ask, what is the main findings of the study? Let me ask this. What is the main findings of the study? So you can write a prompt, and once you write the prompt, you can wait for some time to get the response because the response has to take from this PDF document. That is why it takes some time to analyze that response, analyze the entire PDF, and get what is required from us. So if you observe here, the answer is Chris. That is the main findings of the study includes. It has given 6 major points. That is optimizing paths and site selection with regard to this article. And if you observe all the points, these points are very particular with regard to this article. So this is the power of this Umata tool. So the first one, what we have seen is SciSpace tool. So just to recall what we have learned, the first one is SciSpace tool. Second one, which we have used is ChatGPT. A third one, what we saw here is Umata.ai. So Umata.ai is also one of the best tool. Similarly, you can also use Gemini tool. Gemini is a Google product. So if you go to Google and type Gemini, you will find this link. So what I do is I share this link also. You can make a note of this link in the chat box. So Gemini is also one of the best tool which you can use. If you go with the paid version, you will find very advanced features. So basically here in the free version, you can load images and you can ask. Also, you can use microphone. You can talk to AI and you can generate what is required to get the contents done. So the next tool which I would like to focus here is PDF.ai. So this is also AI tool which you can use to chart with the AI tools, chart with the PDF documents. So this is one more tool. So again, I'm sharing this in the chat box. So about Gemini, I will not speak much because you know how to use ChatGPT. So similar to that, you can also use Gemini tool. So the next one which you need to concentrate is PDF.ai. PDF.ai. So if I open this PDF.ai, so you will be getting the interface like this. I've already shared the link in the chat box. You can click on that link and you can open. So this is how this PDF.ai looks like. So here, if you observe, uh, if you scroll down, you will find what and all things are present in this particular tool. So this is one of the best tool which you can use chart with any PDF document. It need not be a research document. It can be anything. Even the you can load a novel here and you can find or you can ask questions about the novel. You can also load the textbook and you can also generate or you can ask questions about the content. So if you observe here, these are the steps which you need to follow. The first one, you have to upload the document. After uploading the document, you can start asking the questions. You can chat with the AI tool. So you can ask questions and you will get the instant answers based on the PDF. So here you can see how it works. So basically, here you have to click get started for free or try with the demo. So if you don't want to log in, you can just say try the demo. So a PDF document will come. Here you have to upload your PDF. And after uploading the PDF, you can start asking the question. So in order to upload the PDF, first thing is you have to log in first. After login, you will get an interface to upload your PDF, whatever research article you have, you just upload there. Once you upload, on the left hand side, you will get your article. The article is listed out here. See here, you can observe this is the demo article, which is there in this PDF.ai. So once you load this particular findings, this particular document, here you can ask, say, get the summary of this. Get the summary of this article. So what I'll do, I will get the article summary in few sentences. So here you can observe my article is here on the left hand side, and here I'm chatting with the PDF document. So this is another AI tool where you can use this tool to chart with the PDF. So lot of like this, there are a lot of tools where you can use these tools for charting purpose. You can load your PDF and then you can prompt with that. So this will enable for you to chart with any of the PDF documents. When I'm talking with respect of research article, it is all your research papers, the PDF document, the Word document, the PPTs, or any other content. You can load here and you can ask the questions. Suppose in general, if you want to say, you can load any PDF documents and then you can start asking the questions with the PDF document. Imagine if you are having any PDF document with respect of your work or your class notes or your class textbooks. That also you can load here and you can start asking the questions. Suppose if you want to restrict yourself answers to be taken out only from the textbook, so that time also you can load the PDF document and then you can start asking the questions. So this is with regard to charting and paraphrasing with respect of AI tools. So I think the concept with regard to charting is clear to you, how you can use AI tools, that especially the SciSpace, ChatGPT, PDF.ai, Umata.ai, these tools we can use to chart with it. So similarly, we also have Gemini tool that also we can use to chart with the PDF documents. Now, coming back to the actual concept, what we were talking about in today's session, the charting part is done. So we have discussed some tools. Next, we'll go for summarizing tools. So what is the use of these tools? When we use this, we use it for paraphrasing and also we use it for summarizing. So we use a tool called Quillbot and Trinka. So Trinka is one of the best tools which you can use for paraphrasing and also for summarization purpose. So if I take you to the tool, Google, type google.com and just type Trinka. Just type Trinka. So you will find a tool called Trinka.ai. So this is the tool. So I want everyone you to load this tool and we'll explore this tool simultaneously. I'm also sharing the link in chat box. You can open this link. The URL is trinka.ai. So trinka.ai. So this is the tool which we are using. Now, here, if you observe, it's a grammar and writing tool. So here we have grammar checker. Here we also paraphrase the words. We can also check plagiarism. So these three components are available under one tool that is called Trinka. So Trinka. So Trinka is a tool. I've already shared the link in the chat box also. You can also go to Google and just type Trinka. You will be able to get this. So once you load this tool, so I request you all to load this tool. We will work simultaneously. So this is a tool which is used for multiple purpose. So if you scroll down here, you can also see how the grammar checker works. You can also proofread a file. So sometimes what happens, we write some articles, we need to proofread that, or sometimes, uh, especially when we are writing the theses, we want to proofread some of the theses. So that time also we can use. Sometimes when we are writing the textbooks or some articles which you want to publish somewhere, we write some of the paragraphs. We need to proofread that. So earlier we used to give it to the English professors. They used to read and they used to suggest us. Now, before giving to them, you can proofread once and then you can give to them for the corrections. So proofreading a file can be done. So even LaTeX proofreading is also can be done here. So language score also you will be getting. Even you will get the consistency checking also. This also you can be able to do it. So consistency checking is nothing but how many times you are repeating the same word in a different manner. Say example, 5%, the symbol, and 5%, the spelling, percent, P-E-R-C-E-N-T. So sometimes in our article, we write 5%, sometimes we write 5, F-I-V, sometimes we write 5 in a numerical fashion. Then we write percentage with respect of symbol and spellings. So if you want to see the consistency of all these things, that also you can check it here, and then you can analyze your paragraphs. So these many things you can do it with regard to writing, and with regard to paraphrasing also. You can make your own paragraphs, you can rewrite the paragraphs, and then you can check the plagiarism also, plagiarism level, how much it is. And also you can check for many other options. So how to begin with? How to begin with? First thing is you have to log in first. Once you log in here, you are going to get the home page. So you can use sign in with Google. So the moment you log in using your Google account, so you can click on sign in with Google and automatically it will be logged in using your Google account. Remember, for all the AI tools, we are using a Google account. And suppose if you want to avoid any miscommunicate, like a lot of emails, they will trigger these tools because practically speaking, these are the best tools, AI tools, which we are seeing here. And these are very expensive tools. When the moment you start logging using your accounts, that especially your Gmail accounts, every time they will start sending their promotional messages. Suppose if you want to avoid these promotional messages, best practice is have a separate email account. And whenever you use these tools, log in using those email IDs. So that's the best practice which you can use to avoid all other communications which these people are doing. So if you are irritated with so many emails, the best practice what you can do is create a separate email account and log in using that. That time you can avoid all these communication, unnecessary communication, which these emails are triggering, because we are experiencing a lot of emails. That's why I'm suggesting this, to have a separate email ID and to use those email IDs. So how we will begin? I believe that you have already logged into this account. That's why I'm giving some time for you all to log in first, and then we will start exploring. You can also use your phone to explore this particular tool, because this is one of the best tool which I think I have come across, because everything is there and it is giving the best results for you all. So the first option called creating a new file. So you can observe here, create a new file, right? So I'm clicking on this create a new file. So the moment you click on this particular option, create a new file, so one pop-up will come which states that what is the file name. So I'll just say a demo, and the language preference also you can select, and just click on apply. So here what you can observe is copy paste one paragraph. So here is a place where you can copy paste your content. So what I've done is I've copy pasted the content. Okay, one paragraph, one paragraph I have copy pasted here. So you can observe on the left hand side here you are pasting all your content. On the right hand side there are options. So we are going to check all these options one by one. So I think everyone, the concept is clear. So if you want to check now, what you can do is you can open a chat gpt, generate one paragraph and just copy paste here. Or suppose if you have any article, just copy one paragraph and paste it here. So this is how you can use this. So once you copy paste here, the paragraph, the entire paragraph, you can observe the first option on the right hand side. The first option which I'm going to focus is grammar check. So this is, as I said, all in one tool. So here, one paragraph is there, the first paragraph. You can already see the underlined words. That means there is some mistake here. So here you can observe, see, there is one mistake, like how you have observed in the Word document. So if there is any corrections or if there are any mistakes, you will find those mistakes in the Word document, which is underlined. So here also you can see the words are underlined. So just click on this and automatically it changes. So you can observe here on the right hand side, it is popping out, and you can just click accept. You can just click accept here. So next you can observe here. Similarly, you can just click here and accept and you can correct it. So similarly here also on the right hand side, you can observe here. If I zoom like this, you can observe here. Here you can click and automatically it changes. So whatever paragraphs you have prepared, whatever content you have prepared, if you want to check the grammar also, that also you can check it here. So this is the first option which you have it under this particular tool. So this is the first option. So I think everyone it is clear. So this is just like your Word document. You can also type one paragraph and you can check. Also, you can copy paste whatever articles you have, whatever content you have, you can just put it here and then you can check for it. So similarly, the second option, I think the first option is clear to you. I'm going to explore the second option, which is called paraphraser. So I'm just clicking on this. Similarly, I will select one paragraph. See, I'm selecting one paragraph and then see here, just first option, I've clicked on paraphrase. Second, I've selected one paragraph here. I'm clicking on this option thing. The moment you select one line or one sentence or one paragraph, you are going to get an option called paraphrase. So here on the screen, just click on this paraphrase. On the right hand side, you can see a new paragraph is framed for you. So the existing paragraph and what way you can rewrite this paragraph. So if you have written one paragraph and if you're not happy with the paragraph, you want to advance that paragraph with the better grammar and better English. So what you can do is you can just select the paragraph, click on paraphrase, and here you can observe a new paragraph is framed. So just click on replace and the entire paragraph is replaced. So this way we can use the paraphrasing option also. So similarly, this particular option is available even in SciSpace, the tool which we have discussed in the previous option for the chatting purpose. There also you will find the option called paraphrase. There also you can use this particular option and you can explore. Suppose if I want to maybe if the time permits, I will show there. There also in that particular tool also you have an option called paraphrase option and you can rearrange the paragraph. The next one which we have is consistency. So consistency checker is an option which is available here. So basically here in this particular consistency option, you will get uh, errors like what is the level of consistency you have. So you can able to see the consistencies which are present in the paragraph and you can correct those consistencies. Consistency is a repetition of the numbers or repetition of text or characters which are present. So similarly, the last option which you are finding here is report option. Under report option, there are three options: citation checker, plagiarism checker, and general finder. So these are the beautiful tools which are present in this particular tool called Trinka. So citation checker also, you can just click here and a new window you will be able to get. And here in this new window, you have to upload your PDF document, whatever you have, or the Word document. Sometimes the PDF document will not, this not accept. So you need to convert that into a Word document and you have to upload this Word document here. Once you upload this Word document, you can observe I've already uploaded because the time constraint is there for me. That's why I've already uploaded and I've checked this. So what way you will upload? You just click here. You just click here from Trinka My Drive or My Device. So you can just select My Device and you can select the file which you want to upload here. Once the file is uploaded, it will work, it will analyze, and once it is ready, you can able to see this option here. See here, view report option. So when you click on this view report option, see the entire PDF document, the previous PDF document which I have taken here, I have loading here. So you might have observed here. So it has given a complete analysis. So you can see here retracted. Retracted is 0. Published log, how many years it is, how many years back it is published. That is also is present here. So like 10 years back, if the article is or citations are published or articles are published, that also it gives. Retracted is something what do you call if it is not matching with the research quality or integrity or ethical, if there are any concerns, then it will be listed out under retracted. Then comes journal bias. So what is the level journal bias citations are having in this particular journal. So if you click on this here, you will get to know each and every concepts. So next is non-standard. See here, there are three non-standard things. which is related to this particular article. That also you can observe here. So next option here is good to use citations. So this also is available here. So these are the citations which are good to use and good to proceed. I think if you want to go back to the report, once again, you need to click on overview, and here comes the entire overview report about the articles. So whatever citations you have done, whatever references you have used, what content you have used, based on that, it will completely analyze and gives a perfect analysis report. This you can use it for citations also. So a citation checker is this option here. Completely you can analyze this and you can get back. So click on go back to the reports, and here in the home page. So I was here. You can also check plagiarism. So I think they are asking for this. Okay. So journal finder is also one of the options which are present here, and you can use this particular option also to check for journals. So this is one of the tool which you can use. So the tool name is what we have used here in this particular demonstration is Trinka 2. Okay. So similarly, we have all other options. You can also add this add-in to your Microsoft Word, and from there also you can use it. So here is an option where you can add it to your Microsoft Word document. Also, if you are using Mac system, there also you can add this plugin and you can use it. Also, you can add this as a browser plugin also. So Trinka application, you can add it as a add-ons to your Google Chrome. You can add it to your Mozilla Firefox. Even for Microsoft Edge also you can include. Even for other applications also you can use it. So you can also use proofreader file. So there is an option here, proofreader file. I think time constraint is there. I'm not able to show a demo here. So you can proofread a file. You can also use citation formatter. You can format the types and you can get it in a different formats, whichever is required for you. So you can select the citation formats like APA format or AMA format, or whichever format you want. You can regenerate. IEEE format is also there. MLA format is also there. Whatever is required, even the Springer, whatever is required for you, you can rearrange the citation format. And from here, you can copy paste to your research article. So this is one of the best major challenge when we are writing the research papers to align the citations to the different formats. So here is the best tool which you can use to use it according to your requirement. So these are the various options are present here. So take your time and try to explore this tool. I don't think so it's 1 hour or this much time is sufficient to explore one particular tool, because this is the best tool which we have found it. And practically, I also have used it, this particular tool for my research and to analyze, especially to analyze the papers. I have used this particular tool. This is the best tool which you can go for it. And if you feel that, yes, this is really good, you can buy also this particular tool. So coming back to the tools, what we have discussed today is the first one, which I want to just recall. The first one, here is the tool. Um, SciSpace is the first tool which we have discussed. So SciSpace is a tool where you can ask several things, not only what do you call charting with the tools. There are a lot of options. I was showing in the initial stage. So you have a literature review option also. AI writing also is there. Paraphraser is also there. Even the citation generator is also there. So coming back to the paraphraser, you can put a paragraph and you can rearrange the paragraph. So you can also use humanized tools. Various humanized tools are available. Those also you can use to humanize your AI generated content, and you can recheck the plagiarism. Also, you have AI detector is also there. So this will detect what is the level of AI. Suppose if I put a paragraph here and if it checks, let me see how much it will take. I'll select scientific. So what happens is it will give us what is the level of AI is used to make this particular tool. So you can also use humanized AI, humanized tools also to humanize your paragraphs. And then you can also go for limit is 1000. Let's remove one paragraph. Okay. Analyze. So this will give you yes, see 20% AI detection because I have used AI to generate this paragraph. So 20% AI you can observe here. So a lot of options are available. So you can also explore this. The option which I discussed here is loading the uh, your tool, that is a PDF document, and then charting with the PDF document. That option is present here, chart with the PDF. That is the one tool which I have used. The next tool which I have used is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is one of the best tools which you can use. Suppose if you are using a paid version, so this is the best option which you can use it for analysis purpose. Suppose if you require to analyze many things, better to go for a paid version. So around 2,800 per month it will cost, but you will get lot of options you can use, and you can explore things. So practically speaking, I'm also using a paid version here. So you will get a lot of options, and you can use this for a lot of other purposes also, not only for this. We use it for a lot of coding related issues or coding techniques. When we are using it this particular tool. So ChatGPT is next tool which we have used for analysis purpose. Then we had discussed on Lumata tool is next tool which we have discussed here also. You can load your PDF document, and then you can start asking the questions. Then we have discussed PDF.ai. PDF.ai is next tool which we have discussed. Then we had seen the tool called Umata. Umata is next tool. Then we had discussed the tool called Trinka. So Trinka is the last tool which we have discussed. So a lot of options are there. We need to sit and explore these tools. So for the grammar checker, paraphraser, and plagiarism, can make use of the Trinka tool and also size space tool. So I think with this, I will conclude my so much for giving this opportunity to share my knowledge. Thank you, the Krista Jayanti team, for accepting and giving us this opportunity. So before I conclude, I would like to know from the participants if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. I'm really sorry, I had a very limited time. I have around 3 to 4 tools, but it's not possible for me to cover it up. So if you have any queries or questions, you can ask.
Sir, there are a few questions which I would like to put in front of you. The question is
Yes.
regarding means if we use this software and what is the probability of getting plagiarism? Suppose we check through plagiarism software like Trenton. So Trenton will detect that this was generated from AI.
Yes, madam, because it will detect. That's why we need to go with humanize. So 100% we can't copy paste anything from AI, and we can't paste it. So the what options you can use is you can rewrite these things. That's the first thing which I can suggest you. You can rewrite the content and you can use it. Second, if you are going with the best publishers, so better not put the entire article at once to one particular software and check. That is why I shown many softwares. So that's one more practice which you can use. Divide your entire article and load it to different softwares. So that's one thing which you can use. And so this will, what do you call, reduce the AI generations.
Okay, okay. Like you were saying, like intro part,
Exactly.
abstract part,
Yes.
conclusion part, discussion part, we can
Yes.
put where we have more literature. So those
Correct.
part we can put in different
Yes.
different.
And even the
Right.
findings also, we should not put it together. We need to divide them and go.
Okay,
So,
okay, understood,
yes.
sir. That is good point. We can
Yeah.
incorporate this.
And second suggestion, suppose if you would like to have your own server. So there are a lot of AI tools which you can host it in your server, and then you can start using it. So if you use that, your content will not go outside. So no plagiarism softwares will recognize this and detect it. So
Own
that's one
server
more.
means, sir, can you little bit clarify? Own server means what?
So you need to host this OpenAI platforms which are available in your own servers, that is own computer. You require a lot of computing power. You can't just load that in your normal laptops. You need require graphic cards. You require huge RAM and SSD capacity with a good processing power. Suppose if you do this and if you have a server in your place and host this applications in your place,
Okay.
then you can start putting all your content and you can take the help from the AI. So
Okay.
AI is like already you have given the content, lot of content gives the report. So if you host it in your place, the library things which are already loaded in that particular AI will be used, and your content will not go outside. It will not go to the cloud interface.
Okay. So it means you are saying like whatever we put on any of this AI, they all store our data for future purpose.
Not only that, ma'am, even if you store your articles, your Word documents in your laptops or in your phone also, AI tools or any online platforms will take it. So it is not safe to keep your articles in your drive or in your emails or in your computers also, especially in your laptops where you connect internet. So preferably, if you want to save your data, no, you need to have a system which is having antivirus software. The first thing. Second, preferably if your articles are there, don't upload it in your drives, especially what you call your
OneDrive.
OneDrive or Google Drive or any other places. Better we avoid that before we go for plagiarism. So this is the best practice which you have, which you can do.
Okay, so they compare with all those drives options
Yes, ma'am.
as well.
Yes, ma'am. Even the content what is there in your phone also, all the apps are taking. With respect of that, so it's not safe to keep your content in your laptops. See, I'm talking now. I'm also sharing my screen. The Microsoft itself is capturing my screen. So it is not safe to keep any content in your laptops or in the phone.
So hard disk, preferably hard disk.
Yes, yes. Hard disk is the best option or in the pen drives. So try to avoid keeping. I think there are many people
I mean,
here.
all of
Try
us
to
we
keep.
keep, we
Yes,
all
yes.
keep on the,
Yeah,
or we
yeah.
feel like it is
It's
more
a good.
safer. It's
No, no,
safer.
no. It's not safe. It's not safe. So if you want, uh, if time permits, I don't have a time. I can demonstrate also how one can steal your content. What is there in your drive? So that
I mean,
is
one
possible.
who can only accept, I mean, only Google, right? Or anyone else also.
Anyone else. So
I
one
mean,
email
you
is
also,
fine for
or some other faculty also, like
if
that.
the good hackers are there, no, we
Oh,
can.
okay, okay, okay. Understood, understood,
So you might have
understood.
seen how in the these hackers are misusing our content. So one email is sufficient. When you click on the link, automatically the data is captured. So that is sufficient to take all your data from your drive. So better we safeguard our data and give privacy for our data. So that's very important with respect of digital era.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood, understood. Okay, I mean, these were the only question which was rotating around
Yes,
the same thing, whether we can, I mean, whether the detector software can detect it or not. Anyways, we got a good, note on this. So I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to you, sir, and for this insightful presentation. No doubt it helped us where we can move on different software and your insight on all this will definitely going to help us. And I thank all the participants for their active participation and insightful questions. I hope this session had inspired you all, and you all will start using AI more profoundly, maybe more to the point as per your research requirement. I'm going to share the feedback link. Kindly give your feedback. And once again, thank you so much, D'Souza sir, for your all information, whatever you shared with all of us.
Yeah, thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir. Now you've given me the chance one more time to purchase a hard drive. All the data is into laptop, so
Okay.
so that's what I thought at the end when you were sharing. I was just have a laugh on my face that every data is on laptop and on the drives, and we found it's a one of the safeguard place, but you
Correct.
have said not to. So don't know, but yeah.
Yeah, best thing is keep your data in offline mode. That's the best thing.
Offline mode, like
In
only
the sense
pen drives and
where
drives.
there is no internet connection. Offline.
We're going back to that era where we started
Yes,
actually
yes,
pen drive
yes,
profit,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Especially your research articles, your work on PCs and other things, no? We have to keep it in a safe place.
Yeah, yeah. Looking forward, sir.
We
Thank
should
you
not
so
we
much.
should not we should not share the data even in the WhatsApp.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so
Yes,
much,
ma'am.
sir.
Yeah,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
So, sir, just one thing. You have shared not to share with the WhatsApp also. Like, think about and you are working on some, and I have to share my data
Yes.
with you, right?
Yes.
Right. I cannot just I just can give you with the help of pen drive, but if a person is far away, I will share
Yes.
either with the help of mail or WhatsApp.
Correct. Yes.
It means my
So what
data
you
will
can
be
do
there on the
is
server, right?
put a password to your file.
That's a good option.
Yes, or you can zip that file, whichever document you're sharing, no, zip that file and share that file. So still, if you want to provide a security, no, rename the file, that .zip is there, no, just remove P and share the file. So that will give you more security for your data.
Okay.
So password is one thing. Second is zip the file, whatever Word document or PDF or anything, no, zip that file and send it. So that gives them more security. I think you might have seen in ChatGPT, even in WhatsApp also there is an AI.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes. So hence proof.
Yeah.
And we'll end the session here. Hope to see you all again. Thank you so much, sir, once again.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Should I end the meeting, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.